Hi, my name is Michael. I am 35 years old. I live in Minsk, the capital of Belarus. I am Regional Director Youth for Christ Eastern Europe from 1st June last year. It is a new season of work for me and for our entire region. Eastern Europe region includes 7 countries. All of these countries were in the former Soviet Union: Moldova, Ukraine, Belarus, Russia, Armenia, Azerbaijan and Georgia. YFC Eastern Europe has teams in all of these countries except Georgia and Azerbaijan. This extends the mission of YFC to the people of Eastern Europe who have been oppressed by poverty and by religious persecution. From June 2014, initiative and responsibility for future development in the region has transitioned from Northern Ireland team to the region. This transition is brave but not easy. Focus of this project: first, build strong local boards in each nation. Second, expand the children at risk day centers from 180 to 300 projects by 2017. It is about 6,000 children. Third, development the fundraising skills of key leaders. Project started from 1st January and will finish its first phase in the end of December. Thank you very much for your important role to expand God's kingdom in this part of God's amazing earth.